To me, that means something that everybody should be involved in.
And as far as the land acquisition is gaining more land in order to be able to help preserve it for our children's children.
I guess we have to be conscientious on what what we do and what we transfer, or what spills, because
we need to not pollute our streams and all of our waterways.
You put more trees and then you protect more water. It's better for Maryland and Virginia.
Market research routinely finds that protecting the natural environment and the work of the DNR is important to Maryland residents. In 2009, researchers found that protection of the natural environment ranks high for Marylanders. In 2005, residents rated all DNR programs above the midpoint in importance. In 2000, a solid majority reported concern about clean air and water and the environment. But if that's true, why is it so hard to persuade them to join a tributary team or participate in the Harvest Check-in? Why don't more landowners manage the forest on their property? Why don't more homeowners put a rain barrel on their house? Why don't more fishermen respect the size limits? And why don't more farmers put easements on their property? According to an abundance of market research, one key is confidence. Those who are confident in their actions are far more likely to try something than those who lack confidence. For example, those who are confident that buying a green product improves the environment are far more likely to remember buying one recently than those who doubt it. Those who believe their donation to an environmental cause makes a difference are far more likely to make one than those who doubt that. And those who are confident talking about the environment are far more likely to talk to others and remind others to be environmentally conscious than those who aren't. And here are some Maryland residents who are not confident talking about conservation, at least not the same way you do.
You should have closed captioning on your website. This is the terminology in parentheses. This is what it means. I don't know. What is that? Does that mean there's too many? Is there too?
Oh, you got me there. I need to bottle a vial there. No idea. What is it?
When you think of the word ease, it suggests that you should stop doing it. I don't know. I don't get that.
Here's the key point of this whole course. Skillful communication can help you increase the number of citizens who take conservation action. And skillful communication builds citizens' confidence in themselves and the action you want them to take. Unskillful communication is a barrier. It creates the wrong impression that conservation is only for the professionals. Unskillful communication saps citizens' confidence in their own ability to make a difference. In this course, you'll learn how to use the Flesch-Kincaid Readability Scale. It's a tool you can use to write materials that residents read with confidence. And you'll learn a 4-step communicating conservation method that you can use to encourage citizens that their actions make a difference. Now that you've watched today's video, here are the next steps. First, take the quiz. It's required. Then, join the forum. It's optional, but we encourage it. Finally, review the optional reading and resources.